In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay to someone in Whop. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need to make so you can confidently support a creator, join a community, or unlock a product on the platform. Start by opening Whop and heading to the home feed. From the main dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and open Discover. If you're taken to a general browsing page, make sure you're on the Discover tab so you can see everything that's available. At the top of Discover, use the I'm looking for field to narrow your search. Type in what you want, whether it's a membership, a course, or access to a specific creator's offerings. This helps filter out noise and gets you to the right listing faster. Take a moment to glance at the preview details you see in results, like category and brief descriptions, so you can quickly spot the best match. When you see the option you want, click the listing to open the seller's page. Here, look for the products section. If you're not already on it, switch to the products tab to see everything they offer in one place. This is where you can compare what's included, the pricing tiers, and any notes the seller has added, such as what access you'll receive and how often it updates. Choose the product that fits your needs and click into it. On the product page, review the description, plan details, and any listed terms. Many pages outline what you'll get immediately after subscribing, which is helpful for setting expectations. When you're ready, click subscribe, or if available, select the free trial to test things out first. Subscribe typically enrolls you in the paid plan you've selected, while a trial lets you explore before you commit. Before you proceed, make sure the price, billing frequency, and access level match what you expect. That's it. You've navigated to Discover, found the right listing, opened the Products tab, picked the product you want, and used Subscribe or the free trial to move forward with your purchase on Whop.